Veda Shembekar, sub-editor at EM and A&D India, and welcome back to Morning Bytes. This podcast is presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Groom Mobility. This week's headlines focus on the business and industrial updates from India and across the globe so that you can kickstart your week. In today's episode, we will talk about Piaggio sells 26,000 electric three-wheelers in 2023 and launches a new passenger EV. Wipro Pari is set to acquire a majority stake in Ferretto Automation and Services. Genson Engineering secures a Rs 302 crore contract from Mahagenco. HPCL partners with Chevron to introduce Caltex lubricants in India. Before we start, we are pleased to present Dr. Anil Lamba, Chartered Accountant, Financial Literacy Activist, and author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
The current assets of a healthy organization should be greater than its current liabilities. However, organizations with high credibility and sterling reputations find vendors willing to offer longer credit terms and lenders willing to liberally provide short-term loans. Such organizations must exercise utmost vigilance, else they could become victims of what I call as the credibility trap. This can happen because whenever an organization has access to more short-term resources due to its immense credibility than can be absorbed in short-term avenues, the excess will inevitably get used for long-term purposes. Such organizations then become guilty of violating the cardinal principle which says never use short-term funds to acquire long-term assets.
Piaggio Vehicles, an Indian subsidiary of the Italian automaker Piaggio and C-Spa, has achieved substantial sales in electric three-wheeler market, selling around 26,000 units in 2023, a significant increase from the 12,000 units sold in the previous year. The company recently introduced its first three-wheeler passenger electric vehicle, the Ape E-City FXNE Max, in Tamil Nadu, priced at Rs 3.46 lakh, expanding its product range beyond cargo vehicles. The EV offers a driving range of 145 kilometers on a single charge and is designed for economical urban mobility. Wipro Enterprises' Industrial Automation Division, Wipro Pari, is set to acquire a significant majority stake in the Italy-based Ferretto Automation and Services, a subsidiary of the Ferretto Group. This move expands Wipro Pari's capabilities in providing automation solutions beyond automotive OEMs into various sectors. The acquisition aims to bolster Wipro's presence in the Asian and American markets, enhancing its position in the field of warehousing automation technology. Before we go ahead, let's talk about QVI, a world-leading manufacturer of precision multi-sensor metrology systems for industrial quality control.
50,000 passenger flights each day depend on reliable jet engine power, something millions of passengers take for granted. Behind that reliability is some of the world's most advanced manufacturing technology. Measurement systems from QVI are part of it. The precision QVI brings to aerospace component manufacturers helps make air transportation more routine. From ensuring that thousands of parts in a jet engine deliver power when it's needed, to making sure your seatbelt stays latched for takeoff. Plastic bottles help keep us going when we're on the run. And when we put the cap back on our water bottle, we know it won't spill. When it comes to thermomolded plastics, manufacturers rely on QVI precision for fast, accurate dimensional control of their molding process. For mold makers, that precision means fast, accurate thread and seal surface measurements. For the rest of us, precision means longer shelf life and fewer spills from bottled drinks. Safety, reliability, and fuel economy are factors we take for granted every time we drive, yet all depend on thousands of close tolerance parts assembled perfectly. Automotive manufacturers rely on precision measurements at dozens of points in the making of every part, from cylinder heads to drive shafts to anti-lock brakes. More often than not, they turn to QVI for flexible measuring systems that perform day in and day out, right on the shop floor. Just a few years ago, prosthetic joints were largely a dream. Today, they're a common way to renew mobility and extend active lives. When it comes to surgical implants and drug delivery systems, precision is everything. QVI's advanced multi-sensor technologies allow medical device manufacturers to measure critical dimensions more reliably than ever before. From a syringe that delivers the correct dose to a knee implant with a perfect fit. Precision improves the quality of care and life for patients every day. Smartphones and tablets are essential tools for staying connected, in business and for life. Sleek and durable designs let us take our devices with us anywhere. Portable devices are incredibly complex to build. QVI measurement systems deliver the precision needed to fabricate circuits, etch hard disk heads, and fit touchscreen panels to the coolest phone cases. At the end of the day, QVI systems help make wireless mobile devices work on the go. Every great story has a beginning. Ours starts with people, the people who bring our precision to life, and the people whose lives are improved because of it. With more than 400 dedicated employees offering local support to manufacturers in more than 75 countries, QVI and our partners deliver precision across the entire spectrum of industry, from global manufacturers to local job shops. Precision for people is more than something we say. It's what we stand for.
Gensol Engineering, a part of the Gensol Group, has won a contract valued at Rs 301.5 crore from the Maharashtra State Power Generation Co. Limited, Mahagenco. The contract pertains to the installation and commissioning of a 62 megawatt capacity crystalline solar PV technology grid, interactive solar PV power plant in Maharashtra. Additionally, the company has ventured into electric vehicle manufacturing, focusing on three-wheelers and four-wheelers with a facility in Pune. Hindustan Petroleum, or HPCL, has entered a long-term agreement with Chevron Brands International to introduce Chevron's lubricant products under the Caltex brand in India. This partnership will encompass licensing, production, distribution and marketing of Chevron's proprietary Havoline and Delo branded lubricants in the country. HPCL's manufacturing facility in Silvassa will produce the premium range of Caltex lubricants with a capacity of 75,000 kiloliters per annum. The collaboration aims to enhance the offering of a premium lubricant product to Indian consumers, combining HPCL's market leadership and Chevron's expertise. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business environment, where innovation and technology are constantly emerging, it is essential for industries and businesses to remain up to date and adapt to the evolving landscape. Our objective is to assist you in staying ahead of the curve by providing you with the latest developments and trends. Join our community to remain informed and keep pace with the changes unfolding in your industry.